In order to install the brake, I loosen this knob, separating the tines. I slide the brake over the mount. The hole here lines up with the hole on the top of the mount, just like that. The knob that holds the brake is the original stock knob. The brass piece is, I leave it on there so that it stores inside the mount. I don't want to lose it, so instead of putting it elsewhere, I leave it attached to here. But I screw it about halfway in, and then it doesn't make contact with anything when you put it in. It's just for storage. I put it like that and tighten it up nice and tight as it'll go. That's how the brake is installed. Very easy. Be aware that once in a while, when you unscrew the bolt from the mount, that the brass piece sometimes will be left behind inside, depending upon the position you had this originally when you installed it. If that happens, it's very easy to retrieve. It's easily retrieved by putting the knob back in and screwing it down a little bit and then unscrewing it and pull it out, and more often than not it comes out with it again. If not, it's easily retrieved. But just be aware that if you pull the knob out and the brass piece doesn't come out, it's just sitting inside. Once the brake is installed, I then adjust the initial brake disengaged position by moving the cam lever straight up, turning the thumb screw inward until the cam lever stays straight up by itself. Okay? The brake is disengaged like this and engages when you flip it down. When you flip it down, it closes the brake. The telescope is held still. The brake can also be configured to work in the opposite way. You can turn the cam lever around so that the brake is engaged with it pointing straight up and disengaged when you move it down. So it works either way. I personally prefer it the other way. I like to have the brake engaged with this down and disengaged with it up. The amount of maximum braking force can be adjusted also by turning this thumb screw. If you turn the thumb screw tighter, the resultant braking force will be more. Okay? You can also adjust the maximum braking force while it's in the braked position. Maybe it's easier to do it that way. So it's in the braked position. You can turn the thumb screw tight to apply more braking force, or you can loosen it when less braking force is needed, depending upon the load on the mount at the time.